Hi everyone, I'm Erin from Erins Picks and Creative Materials Senior Design Services Consultant. I've started to notice some things that are reoccurring in projects that we're working on in design services, and I thought Erins Picks would be a great opportunity to explore some of those topics with you. What I'd like to discuss with you today is tile modules. Tile modules are a great tool to use to explain either complex tile patterns or even simple random tile patterns, which tend to generate a lot of questions from the field. With the use of tile modules, I'm hoping this will help smooth out and make the installation process much easier for both you and the installer. I think we've all been in this scenario at one point or another. You've got this super kick-ass tile pattern or design. Your client loves it. You've drafted it in AutoCAD. You've got a generic hatch indicating where T1's located. All the products are called out in your finish schedule. You've got additional details indicating the intent of your design. Everything seems to be going right? Yeah, appears that way. Until a notification pops up in your email, a request for information regarding clarification and installation details for that kick-ass tile pattern. We've all been there, and I know what you're thinking. You're like, fudge, why is this happening right now? I've got so many other things to do. And this is where I would like to present to you my personal BFF, the tile module. The tile module easily communicates your design intent in an easy, digestible format. The tile pattern module shows the installer how the design will repeat or move throughout the space. It's also a great tool to provide installation details like starting points or where the pattern needs to be centered. I've even worked on projects where I've had 2 tile modules to really simplify complex designs and patterns. So why do I think tile modules are the way to go for tile designs? The tile module will make explaining your design intent much easier to your installers because you're essentially decoding your design. So remember paint by numbers? Think of your creation of tile modules to communicate your design intent as a reverse engineering of paint by numbers. As designers, it's our job to provide a code for all the colors and shapes we're using within our pattern design, so our installers can tap into their inner Bob Ross and do the painting, making all those happy little trees. For me personally, keeping this simple concept in mind helps guide me through creating tile modules that communicate the overall design intent of a project. So just to recap, a tile module can work for a variety of complex designs, whether it's recreating a random tile pattern, a vertical or horizontal gradient, a repeating pattern or a pattern that has unique shapes or various design elements. You name it, you can probably create a tile module to communicate the design intent of what you're trying to achieve. So on your next project, try using a tile module to explain your design intent. Or if you'd rather leave that exploration to someone else, please contact your Creative Materials Architectural Sales Consultant and let Design Services take that task on for you. Thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed this design tip. Until next time, keep designing.